Look at this stark contrast. Years of grime were wiped away in seconds.
Hello everyone, this is Bison. Today we are testing our permanent magnet inverter electric pressure washer inside our factory. Let's see how it cleans a dirty floor. It features a powerful permanent magnet variable frequency motor and a commercial-grade split pump head. This product is designed for wholesalers and OEM customers who require high profit and low maintenance equipment.
Setup is completely plug and play. Connect your water source, plug into standard power, and switch it on. We are cleaning out everyday industrial dust, mud, and tire marks. As you can see in this split, it handles daily commercial maintenance easily and efficiently. This machine is designed for light commercial cleaning, car washing, farm tours, outdoor surface, and factory floor cleaning.
This pressure washer is lightweight, efficient, and suitable for many light commercial cleaning jobs. If you want to know more about our cleaning machines, welcome to follow our channel. See you next time.